Well, here I'm still continuing my walk. I'm the only one walking, but I don't mind. I like the peace and tranquility, except for the passing cars. So this is just around the neighborhood. I can feel that my shoes, they're really soaking wet. But I don't mind. The inside of our garage is warm, I'll just put it out there, and maybe by tomorrow morning it'll be dry already. Okay, I'm heading back home. This will be my last loop. There's a plane up there somewhere. The clouds. Okay, my friends, thank you for joining me on this short vlog. I think I'm going to end it now and just concentrate on my walk. Look where I'm going, because I don't want to fall on my face. So thank you once again, my subscribers and those who've been watching my video. Thank you for joining me today. Peace. Bye for now.